In this video, I'll show you how to download on-screen clock to your smart TV. This is very easy. Like and subscribe to YouTube channel if you find this video useful. So if you want an on-screen clock for your smart TV, it can help you see time while using your smart TV or while watching a movie on your smart TV, this is what you should do. So you have to come over to this application called Downloader. It's a very useful application I can use to get anything on my smart TV that I want. So this application helps you get anything, videos, app, APKs on your smart TV. All you have to do is to get the application. To get the application on your smart TV, check the description in this video. There is a link there that's going to guide you on getting the application. So once you get the application, just go ahead and launch it. And in the search box, you're going to type in on-screen clock. So as I said earlier, on-screen clock is an application that helps you display time on your screen while you're using your smart TV. So you can display when you're watching a movie, you can display while you're browsing, you can display while you're watching maybe football or anything you want to watch on your smart TV. So all you have to do is come over here and type in on screen clock. It's a very nice application and I'll recommend it for anyone to have on their smart TV on screen clock. So here's the right keyword for it. Once you type in the keyword this, you go ahead and search. Once you search, downloader is going to show you where you can install the application to your smart TV. So once you come over here, see here are the various options. So I'll come and recommend this option. So you just have to click on this option here and it'll show you where to download the application on your smart TV. So if you found this video helpful, subscribe to the YouTube channel.